So this is addressing Lab 8 for online. Lab 8 is the introduction to Wireshark. If you do a Google search, you'll find many videos on, or even many web pages dedicated to introducing people to the Wireshark application. In this course, we use Wireshark very, very basically just to look at some network traffic that is made while we're doing some exercises. Remember once again that your screen will look similar to my screen but will not be exact. Make sure that you are choosing, which Ethernet adapter you're using at home, and that's the one we're going to monitor within Wireshark. Let's see, record your IP address, record your MAC address. We don't need to do this. And we don't need to make sure we ping everybody. What protocol is used to find the MAC address associated with a given IP address? It's kind of hinted on right in this section. So when we open up Wireshark, remember to right-click, run as admin, select yes, and then make sure you select the Ethernet adapter or the interface that you are wanting to monitor. And then make sure that you choose wired. Once we'll want to start to capture packets, so we want to click the start button, which I believe is the shark, and then the stop button once we're done. So we'll ping, you can ping Google. I don't know if there is a reply, but also if there's another, if you're able to ARP-D or ARP-A and get some IPs within your home, you can definitely ping those and see the traffic that is generated through there with this lab. Make sure to stop because the Wireshark will just keep on going and get all the information generated from your network, everyone at your home. Make sure that the filter is turned on to ICMP only, and that will be pings. Wireshark will only give you the information related to ping. The only way this lab can severely mess up is if you print this Word document off in LibreOffice. Somehow LibreOffice does not like my circles and arrows. It'll put the arrows and circles in different spots, so you will not get the correct information. So make sure you print this off in a Word document. If you don't have access to Word, make sure to log into your eWolf account. You have access to Office 365 there and can use that for free as long as you're a student at Front Range Community College. Here we're just verifying information. And in this last spot, make sure that you keep track of your IP address and your MAC address, and then the IP and the MAC address that you are pinging in your household. That's the key to this last page here within this lab, is just keeping track of the MAC and IP address of what yours are and whatever you're pinging also.